right, I ran out of power yesterday before getting into this room, so let's come have a look-see.
That's our name on the product. It's all about us and KLH. So they accepted that.
Hey guys, hey, how are you? I'm back. Nice to see you. Hi guys. Hello, hello.
So that's what they did, and they released it that month. I gave total control, no blame, because that has to be shipped throughout the world again to represent what they have. So for us, it's like, oh, you're a native, but for the rest of the world, what is it on the world stage? These guys will be in Munich in May, on May 19th, and they have to now show the Model 7, 10-inch driver. It's been a long show. 10-inch driver for the Model 5.
You know, I think there's a comeback for, I think like large driver designs are definitely having a moment. They're coming back.
They sure are.
You know, multi-channel,
Sure.
left, right, Atmos,
Yeah.
whatever. So I think it was like a theater system.
Yeah.
Maybe more. It took 2 Trinos 32-channel processors to do it. Which is, but what they're doing, basically sending out a low frequency wave like across the width of the theater, right? You've got so many of these bastards. And they've already analyzed the room in extreme, like digitally, in extreme detail. So they propagate a wave, a low frequency wave across the front of the theater. And then when it reaches the back, there's an opposing out of phase wave that comes out of the back. So I like the idea of sort of, like I think some kind of like the classic noise, that kind of stuff. That stuff is
All right. So let's, if you wouldn't mind, I'm just hoping to get a little bit of a lowdown in terms of what equipment's playing right now.
Yes, so we have the KLH speakers. These are a brand new line. Kendall Mark II, I believe they're known as. They just came out last week.
Okay. Oh, just last week? Oh,
Just
beautiful. Okay.
unpackaged.
All right.
We're going, we have a Project turntable. This is their upper line.
13-inch driver.
And we also have an Ortofon cartridge on there. That's the Black Quintet S.
Ortofon Black. All right.
And that's playing through the 6 acoustic phono.
So this you said is.
It's a new release as well.
All right. So this is a little piece of magic here you're mentioning.
Magic. It has dual input, moving magnet, moving coil, and balanced out. Variety of loading options, and an infinitely variable gain, which is sort of unique in the phono preamp world.
Beautiful.
And we're playing all of this through a musical fidelity. This is an older model, but personal amplifier of the owner here. But
Is that the owner, Frank, or?
Yes, that's Frank.
Oh, that
yes,
right here.
that's Frank. Everything else is for sale. I mean, that ultimately is for sale, I imagine, as well. Just not a.
It's not a current model. Not brand new. Gotcha. Thanks very much for the synopsis. I appreciate that.
big driver, high efficiency, lots of air, so don't worry about it.
I'm showing the specification.
Speaker Shop Toronto is a location near Yorkdale Mall that repairs speakers and electronics. So if you have any issues with your equipment, give Frank a call over at the Speaker Shop. They'll take care of you.